Could you explain the power of prayer?
Well, prayer is like everything else. You can pray from outside the vortex or inside the vortex. If you pray from outside the vortex, you're having a step one moment where you're just messing around with the problem, making it bigger, and creating step two, which is the solution. When you pray from inside the vortex, now you're in the place of receiving the answer, of receiving whatever it is that you're wanting. Therefore, the prayers that we would offer, if we are standing in your physical shoes, would 100% of the time be prayers of appreciation. Because when you pray your prayers, and many of them that way, I am thankful for this, I am appreciating of this, I bless this. Those prayers of appreciation put you in the vortex where the solutions are. But the prayers that come from place of need, they just, and it's all right, they accentuate the step one part of the equation, but they do not put you in the place of receiving the solution. And you know, there are people who have mournfully and painfully prayed for solutions to specific things their whole life. And then they conclude, there is no benevolent force, there is no good, because I've been praying and not receiving. And we say, oh, you've been praying and source has been hearing and source has been answering. But your prayer is such that you hold yourself apart from this solution. You need to lighten up.
Okay. I do. You're right. Thank you.
Oh, we're not talking about, we don't mean you need to lighten up. We mean you need to lighten up. And maybe you could a little too.
I could do a little too, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you.